Building off of what we did in the last video, we will now look at how we can import the Excel data back into Revit. It's much faster to manipulate data in Excel and then bring it back into Revit if we use Dynamo. Once we're happy with all of our changes, we can save the Excel file and load it into Dynamo. Dynamo will sort the information depending on how we specify. We can then start to put that information back into Revit. We can even see certain element parameter information by their element ID. We can see every parameter that is associated with that element. This is a very handy node as it gives us much more information than we can see within Revit out of the box. At the moment, Revit is still holding on to the old information for the mark values. Once we run the script, it'll change the mark values according to what we specified in Excel. Now we can quickly manipulate our parameters through Excel and have the changes reflect in Revit in an instant.